a annual competition. It's the largest robotic competition in the world. And our robotics club, composed of students from the college from various departments, designed and built a firefighter bot that solves a maze, enters the room, finds a candle, and we're going to set it up with a lit candle here. So it uses different types of sensors that are used in industry to do a simple project here, but it actually finds a candle and puts it out. And so in the process, the students are learning about motors and sensors and different types of materials. They 3D printed the body of the vehicle. And so they're learning a lot of skills. It missed by about 2 inches. Ah, there we go. All right. So the students are learning all kinds of skills that they can actually apply when they get out into their careers. Yeah. That is exactly right. This is another one of our robots from the competition. It's a combat robot. It actually goes in and fights other robots. So with this one, they had to learn about drafting and welding and different science of different plastic materials and batteries and motors. And so Morgan is driving this robot, and she was one of the pit crew for another robot we competed with.
Hi.